What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another HyperX Ruben video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing an Anker power bank for you. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what other products would you like to see featured onto the channel. Without further ado, let's get straight onto the unboxing. Welcome back, guys, to the unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing the Anker Powercore Slim 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. I got this from Amazon for a pretty good deal for about £18. So if you guys are looking to pick one up, I will leave a link down in the description below. The reason why I wanted the power bank is because sometimes when you leave the house and you haven't got 100% battery, I just wanted a nice cheap power bank for me to use. But anyway, moving on with the video, we're going to try and take out the contents of the packaging. So the first thing we're going to take out is the power bank itself, wrapped around in this recyclable packaging. But we're going to leave that off to the side for now because I want to see what else is included. As you can see here, we've got a bit of paperwork and hopefully an accessories box to see what cable should be included for us to charge it. But for now, I'm going to open up the user manual to see the instructions for the power bank, because there might be some useful information that we might need to know. So open up the user manual, we can see that it actually tells us what wattage will be used for which device, as well as how to actually use the device and also how to charge it. My light falls down here, which is annoying, so I'm going to put that back up. So hopefully now that's all fixed. So yeah, like I said, guys, and also shows us as well a button with an LED status to see how much charge we got left of the actual power bank. But for now, I'm going to collect all the paperwork and move that off to the side because I just want to see what else is included with the power bank. So in the accessories box here, there's actually two things included with the power bank, and one of them was a surprise to me. So the first thing that we're going to take out from the accessories box will be a cable for obviously to us to use to actually charge the power bank, and we're going to leave that off to the side for now to see what other contents. And the surprise that we actually get is a pouch. So Anker, thankfully enough, has left us with a pouch to prevent our power bank from getting scratches and scruffs. Hopefully for when we place it into our bag or throw it into our bag or whatever. So it's nice to see that they've included a nice soft feeling pouch. But back onto the cable here. So the cable that they've included is a meter, I'll probably say, or less than a meter, sorry, of a micro USB cable for us to use to charge the power bank. And here's a close zoom up of what it is. But now we're going to put that down and we're going to go back onto the power bank because we want to see what that actually looks like. So opening up now, I'm going to do some, hopefully you guys can see it really well. So this is the back of the power bank, has all them right in there, and you can see a slim 10,000 milliamp power bank. Moving on, we can see here that your fingerprints will show, but we've got the branding as well as the button there. And like I said, guys, once you press that button, it will tell you how much charge you got left. And then for the fun part, which is the ports. So as you can see, there's three ports. One USB, which the IQ has, that will be used for you to actually charge your devices, and the other two will be for you to charge the actual power bank. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the Powercore unboxing. Leave a like, drop a follow, and also subscribe.